All right, quiz 6 key. First problem, alkyne, H plus in water. So this is like a halohydrin. Pi bonds a nucleophile, grabs the H. Carbocation and a more substituted carbon, carbon 2. Polar protic solvent reacts. All right, you get this, and it's going to immediately tautomerize. And you're going to get rid of the enol to the ketone. H plus falls off, proton transfer to regenerate the catalyst, final product ketone. Be sure to number your carbons. Next one, mercury. Similar type thing here. Again, alkyne going into a ketone. Polar protic solvent, 3 arrows, pi bond, kicks off the OAC, mercury lone pair comes back, 3-membered ring. Polar solvent comes in, carbon 2 and carbon 3 are the same. They're both the same substitution, they're actually symmetrical, so it doesn't matter which one you go to. SN2-like, you'll see the mercury and the water on opposite sides, do a quick tautomerization. Different here, mercury needs to fall off, do that elimination step. So mercury is a metal, it wants to lose those electrons. Electrons go there to remake the enol, which again, you tautomerize again. So these alkynes with mercury, you get to do a tautomerization twice. That's something you could maybe remember. Do the tautomerization, right? The mercury fell off, it has the plus charge now because it lost electrons, so we balance our charge, tautomerized, and we get to the ketone. All right, so mercury, make sure you remember the double tautomerization will be needed. And the mercury just falls off with these ones for the alkynes. So it's different than alkenes. Last ones are just kind of fill in the blanks. These are do you remember your reduction reagents? So in this case, Lindlar's, that turns an alkene or alkyne into a alkene, a cis. It adds H as cis. If you want to turn an alkyne into a trans-alkene, you use the sodium dot or lithium dot, right? Use one of those things. Make sure you don't confuse this with NaNH2. People constantly confuse those things. This has a dot. This is a radical. And then if I wanted to get to a alkane with H2 plate in my carbon, either one of these alkynes would be fine. You can assume with H2 it's an excess, or you could have done an alkene if you want to. It's fine. That's it.